Okay guys, so andito na naman ang inyong ate. Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, I am back with another tutorial for you guys. And ito yung pinakamadaling way for you to look good kahit na wala kayong oras. So first thing na ginagawa ko is mag-apply lang ako ng blush. And I'm using the Sophie Paris Magic Pink Cream. Ito kasi yung mga kabagang natin kapag nagmamadali tayo, yung mga cheek tint. Kasi natural lang tignan pero maganda yung effect. Next naman is of course our kilay. Kasi alam ko naman na hindi tayo makakalabas ng hindi maayos yung ating kilay. Plus, it also helps na i-frame yung ating face kahit na wala tayong contour or bronzer. So, dati lang naman yung ginagawa ko, magpo-focus lang ako sa tail part kasi yun lang naman yung part na putol sa kilay ko. And then, of course, i-blend natin yan ng bonggang-bongga mga te. And then, to fill in yung mga sparse area ng kilay ko, I'm going to set it with the powder that comes with the brow pencil na din. So, as you guys can see, carry na yung kilay. Next naman is our foundation. So, kung wala naman kayong maraming skin imperfections, you guys can skip this and just apply yung concealer. Pero ako kasi, yung ginagamit ko dito is yung Milani kasi you can build this foundation up para maging concealer na din. And on a daily basis, kapag nagmamadali ako, I just wanted a little bit of coverage lang naman. And then, I'm also using it as a concealer, sabi ko naman sa inyo, para matago yung mga chismis sa ating mga muka. So, pinofocus ko lang itong foundation na to sa areas na madaming chismis si ate. So, yan. I-blend lang natin ang bonggang-bongga para maging kinis. And then next naman is set natin yung nilagay nating concealer or foundation with a powder. So, ito yung ginagamit ko yung Wet n Wild kasi it controls the oiliness of my skin and it also fills in yung pores. So, mas nagiging flawless tignan. Plus, it also gives me a little bit of coverage para matakpan na naman yung mga chismis ni ate. Kasi since hindi ko naman lahat nilagyan nung liquid foundation kanina. So, kailangan ko yan. Pero kung hindi nyo kailangan, you can just apply a translucent na powder. And then, i-curl na natin yung ating lashes. This one will open up your eyes kahit hindi na kayo maglagay ng eyeshadow. Kasi syempre 5 minutes or under 5 minutes na lang meron kayo. So, hindi na kayo makakapag-eyeshadow. So, curling your lashes and applying a few coats of mascara will definitely open up your eyes kahit wala na tayong eyeshadows. So, yan lang yung gagawin natin para maging bongga naman yung mata, maging statement. Pwede kayong mag-tight line para mas ma-define yung mata nyo. Pero ako kasi hindi ko na ginagawa yan on an everyday basis since nagmamadali ka na. So, after that, ilaline ko na yung aking lips with a lip liner. Kasi para mas maging bongga, pag sinabi kasing glam, yung naiisip ko yung red lipstick. So, since wala na tayong eyeshadow, very simple na yung ating look, mag-red lipstick na lang tayo. Yan yung sinabi ko nung nakaraang video ko, 'di ba? Kasi it really adds like a pop sa mukha mo na naka-red lipstick ka kapag ganyang mga wala ka lang namang makeup. And kaya ako nilaline yung aking lips kasi alam nyo naman, red, very dangerous yan mga te. Kasi kailangan precise yung pagkakalagay. So, as you guys can see, pag-apply ko ng red lipstick, hindi na ako masyadong nahirapan sa edges kasi naglagay na ako ng lip liner. So, mas madali nating ma-draw or ma-fill in yung ating lips. And then, lastly is to set our makeup. So, maglagay lang kayo ng konti if you have oily skin para lang mag-melt yung powder. So, that is it for our makeup tutorial for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Sana mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel. And hopefully, you guys find this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, pwede na tayong maglaba. Halika na. Bye guys! Thank you for watching! So, how are you guys? This is the first time that I'm doing a get ready with me video.